With number 6, Miss Lorna Teresa from a 57 years old from Das Upper Highway. And she's wearing a yellow ball gown. She's proud, a debutant herself, and 18 years young. Ladies and gentlemen, naaw ang Quezon. Nawala din music. Alara. So, ladies and friends, candidate number 6, Miss Lorna Teresa.
And you give me all of you. How many times do I
Thank you so much. Our second to last.